Welcome to the registration tutorial. When you log into BandWeb or GWeb, you will see a screen similar to this. Click on Student Records and Registration menu. Then you will want to click on Registration menu. From there, click Register, Drop, and/or Add Classes. This next screen will let you pick the current term that you want to register for. Once you have selected the term, hit Submit. This is the Add and Drop screen. From here, you'll be able to enter in the 5-digit CRNs to the boxes below. First, we'll be adding in Econ 1011, which has a lecture and a discussion section. Once I have both CRNs in, I'll hit Submit. You will now see that I am registered for both the lecture section and the discussion section of the linked Econ course. I will now register for my Math Calculus course, which is also linked, so it has a lecture and discussion section CRN that I have to enter at the same time. My math lecture and recitation were both entered in on my account, and I'm now registered for these courses. I'm now going to add a history course that may count as a general education humanities requirement. That course too was added as well. It was not linked and only required one CRN. Now I'm going to add an elective for Psychology 1001. You will notice that there is a time conflict error with this course, and it conflicts with the History CRN. Therefore, in order to register for this class, I will need to drop History by selecting the drop-down button and clicking on Web Drop. I will then add in the CRN for Psychology 1001 and hit Submit Changes. Now I am registered for Psychology 1001 and my history course was dropped from my schedule. This is only 9 credits and I'm going to want to register for about 16 to 17 credits for my first semester at GW. I will need to add FYDP in either UW 1020 or BADM 1004, which is our Age of Globalization course. For incoming freshmen, you will not have access to the Add Drop screen until your assigned registration time, either in person at Colonial Inauguration or at home during your remote registration.